Inuman tikse emalekula to ashufe batalo ninga abisu Inuman rafe emaleya lami tokuma dabu namara abisu Allaya nalayuma maltu allaya Nuru fajadai alagana laguma maltu alaga adam firajadai Oborta ormina batu yo abano fi batate malay roro ormarra dufte roro dinarra dufte maltu namado Oh, abado watamale malo.
Justice for UNHCR. The torture of human rights and the human rights violations that was done or using in Yemen on Sunday, 7/3/2021. The view of genocide of black immigrants from African was taken by the body of the government in the taking a bomb to prison where there were 450 people in prison where they were in prison. They were killed before on mistake and they were killed by one prison in prison. I am going from the world to the world, but why is the human rights activist?
على واحد ما في على واحد اقتل لي بني جنبه لا على واحد
We are blank African because they are Ethiopian, all one we burn by fire. In the telling you, there is blank cream. As a human being, we are also human. If there is equality, it will also give an impact for blank people. We are blank people in Asia. The fire is burned by fire. Why did blank writing stand in Europa? The world is watching, used for the inaugurating of blank people. We refugees now are standing for human rights in the country of Inforland, one of the burned by fire. But the cart of justice is not wearing. We are then shelled blooding or UNHCR at the second round. The UNHCR didn't say anything that day. At the end of the third, refugees then in Aden, Channel, or they didn't have UNHCR paper attacks with use after fire. We don't have in country, we don't have the right, we don't have government either to live is to be stopped. As European in the Europa, why are African blank immigrants respected human rights? We African are African.
Thank you very much.